Alright, so we're gonna change the CV axle passenger side on this 2016 Honda HR-V. We'll take it out on standby. See the lug nuts and 19. So we'll be taking out the outer tie rod. There's a cotter pin, just remove the cotter pin. Oh, never mind, it's 19 bolts. Put the bolt back and then grab your hammer or grab your hammer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit the knuckle so it's height position. Alright, we got that out. Alright, now that we got the outer tie rod, what we'll do next is take out the 3 bolts that's holding the lower control arm and then the bolt on the CV axle. They're all 17 bolts for the lower control arm. So the axle nut is 36. Once we got that out, grab your hammer, hammer the axle out. Okay. Make sure you don't hit the threads. So grab a very long pry bar and you pry it from here, like here in the middle. Then once you lower down the lower control arm, you can take out the CV axle by taking it off the spindle. So yeah, with this, and then while I'm pushing down the lower control arm, I'm holding this spindle, and at the same time, I got my hammer hammering it out. There you go. You should be able to get the hold on. You know what? Let me just pull this out real quick. Pull the spindle. I see what's going on. The brake line here. There's a brake line that we need to remove. Well, the bolt, the brake line bolt that we need to remove. Yo! Oh, it's right here. What is that? That's 12. This will allow us to give us more space or wiggle room when we move the spindle out. So it's gonna be like this. Push it out. And what we could do is we could move this sideways like this. So there you go. Now we have access on the CV axle. Next thing we're gonna do is take it out. Just grab a bungee cord.
Eh, kanina pa doon, lamig pa sa labas. Nasaan ba?
Yaman mo siya doon.
Nasaan yan? Iba ka?
Gusto mo isamahan mo?
Saan? Dito sa kanya?
Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. Get a bungee cord, tie the spindle. We don't want that to be flying around or hovering around when we're trying to take out the CV axle. Alright, so we're gonna be removing the like intermediate shaft or axle shaft. That's it's 14 bolt. Alright, so we're gonna be removing the passenger side CV axle now. There's 3 bolts that we need to remove for the intermediate shaft because it has a bearing on it. We're gonna replace the bearing. This is 14 bolt. There's 3 bolts. There's 1, 2, and the last one is right here. You use extension on the bolt. You can use extension. Oh, hinahama ko konti. You get a 3 inches extension with 14 socket for the 2 bolts on the top. All right, so for the bolts, this one is special bolts. So just hide it somewhere or set it aside where you don't lose it. It's a special type of bolt. And then I'm not sure if the transmission flow is gonna overflow, so make sure you have a oil pan. So it's gonna be that, and get yourself like one of these plug-ins. So when it does come out, you can plug it in right away and doesn't the transmission. You can save the transmission fluid. So have this. And take it out on standby. See, or a rag would work. Dang. All right. Now we got the CV axle out. All right, so this thing's gonna be on the top, and this is the bottom. So when you take it out, just plug it in right away. All right. Make sure it's almost there. So oh shit. Ooh. Oh. Fuck, man. Make sure you don't tie everything up yet. That's all the bolts are perfectly snug. Next thing we're doing is install the CV axle.
I don't see any problems in
This is like one of the tricky parts. It has to be centered. No, does it? Does have to lock. There you go. So what you need to do is push the spindle up while trying to put the axle in. Just watch your hands when you're doing this. Okay. Got that in. Oh, check out the seat. Oh, what the? Oh, I don't know. That looks kind of weird. Put the lower control on. Or you can jack it up if you have a jack. Jack it up like around here, the control arm. I got a pry bar, so I'll just pry it up. Pry it up. Put the bolts. Don't tighten yet until you have all 3 bolts. Alright, then put the axle nut. After the axle nut, don't forget about this brake line. Remember, we did take it out earlier. So it's a 12. Oh, it's 14. And then also the outer tire. The outer tire is pointing down. I mean, it's tapered anyway, so you won't miss it. Alright, so the only thing that was left are tightening all the bolts. So the 6 axle now. 17 for the lower control arms. Then 19 for the outer tie rod. Don't forget the cotter pin. Ha? Bakit?
Kasi gusto ko i-add up.
Oh. Teka. Where's the 12? Oh, 14. 14 bolts for the line. Oh, that's 12. So this is the end of the video, guys. This is how you replace the CV axle passenger side of a 2016 Honda HR-V. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just write it down in the comment section. If you watched the entire video, I appreciate y'all. I'm about to do the driver's side. It's the same. It's almost identical. The process is almost identical. So appreciate y'all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.